Should I get my logos designed by professionals? I think so. Actually, you guys are gonna love this, but you see this logo, Shark Virtual Reality? I actually had this logo designed for $5. That's right, $5 on a great website. I'm so laughing because that thing fell down on a great website called Fiverr, and I'm going to show you the whole process. It only costs $5. I paid a bit more for my for this logo. The green screen part will work obviously, but I'll show you here. Let's go here together. So Fiverr.com, and I'm going to show you actually my orders, what I've done. So I've got all my orders here. And for those of you who have taken some of my courses and you heard Back to the Future background sounds from the doc talking, I got it done here. That was my crypto course. But no, I actually got it done here. Hold on a second. So I did it. Here it is here. Create 3 designs within 24 hours. And so I told this person, here it is here. Yeah. I told this person, and it cost me literally $5, that I wanted a logo done. Okay, and let me bring it over here. And so this person came up with 3 logos, and here's one of them here. That's for Shark Virtual Reality, and this was and Tony Shark has been in a couple of my courses now. It's a fictional character I created. He's been in the complete business plan courses as well as he'll be in the MBA degree program as well. That's the second one they did. Here's the third one. It's incredible value, dude. Oh, this is the one I went with. Yeah. So this logo here, like this logo, like I said, I'll take this one here, please. The white one in the middle there. And again, it cost me $5 and it was done within 24 hours. So I highly recommend checking out Fiverr if you want to get your logos done, or you can get them professionally done by somebody else if you want to as well. And so for my for this one here, what happened, and the green won't work. See, look at that. I don't think ahead of time. I should have not put green in my logo, right? But what I did was I had this guy create this logo, and he asked me a question. He said, "Chris, what are your favorite colors?" And I said, "Blue for the Blue Jays and green just because the environment green." So he created it for me. He was like, "Well, what are you looking for?" And I said, "I want something kind of inspirational that's that's saying there's no limits to what you can achieve." And so that's it there, green. Don't do green logos. Learn from my mistakes. I pride teaching you based on my many mistakes too. Okay.